Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some super easy summer salads which will keep you going through this hot weather. We're having a heat wave in the UK at the moment, so boy are you going to need these fantastic recipes. Stay tuned to see what I've been whipping up for you guys. So my first salad is pretty basic. I've started off with a solid bowl of greenery. It includes some rocket leaves. I've added some tomatoes, some spring onions and some cucumber. I've then gone on to boil some corn cob because I just think that makes a really nice side dish with a salad. And now I'm just going to continue adding goodness to my bowl to make my salad really colourful. I fried up some chili flavoured kidney beans. These are a really nice accomplishment to put in a salad. I'm then going to add some chopped olives, some walnuts, some cranberry, and just mix all that flavour together. I've then got some chopped dates and some chopped apricots to add to my mix. You can also add other nuts and seeds to this. I love adding pine nuts, and if they're fried in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, they taste so good. Another side dish we're serving with tonight's dinner is baked butternut squash. I've just scored the squash and added a really nice dusting of cinnamon. My second salad idea basically uses a lot of the same ingredients to save you on your shopping bill. We have a basic salad of tomatoes and cucumber, chopped dates and chopped apricots. I've also added some yellow pepper this evening, and I've used some spicy cashew nuts. This dish has been drizzled in an extra virgin olive oil dressing along with apple cider vinegar. And finally, now that we own some raw apple cider vinegar, we're going to make a basic cucumber and cranberry salad. Guys, this tastes so good for the summer and it is so quick and easy to do. I don't have a spiralizer, I just have this potato peeler, but I use it because it's super simple to peel my cucumbers with. I then just throw in some chopped cranberries and I drizzle that with apple cider vinegar, and there you go, that's a super summer easy salad. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and lifestyle ideas on my channel. See you soon guys. Mwah.